Today I'm gonna show you how to link your Gmail to your self-hosted n8n in under 2 minutes. Let's go! First of all, in n8n grab a node that uses Gmail, such as this one. Then click on create a new credential and choose OAuth. Then on this website type Gmail, click on it and then choose manage, or if you haven't ever clicked on it before, click on enable. Then on this page click on create new credential, OAuth client ID, click on web application, n8n, name it however you want, but I'm just gonna choose n8n. Then go back to n8n and click on your redirected URI. That redirect URI should look like this. Click on it and then go back to the Cloud Console. Once back in the Cloud Console, add your URI and click on create. It will say that your OAuth client has been created, but that it is restricted to test users. Copy the client ID, put it into the workflow, and do the same for the client secret, which is this. This will only work if you give test access to your Gmail account. So here type your own Gmail account, which I've already added here. Then back inside of n8n, you can now sign in with Google. It could take around 5 minutes for it to work, so wait patiently, and after you should be done and you can log in. And I have now connected my Gmail account. See you in the next video, bye!